Hello and welcome to the 6th episode of our brand new series where we teach you some useful Gaelic phrases that can be used in a simple conversation. In this episode, we will teach you the special set of Gaelic numerals that are used when counting people and introduce you to some phrases for discussing the weather and seasons. There are many ways to ask someone what the weather is like. One way is to say, Cóirish a ha in a mashar, Còmhradh inniu. What is the weather like today? Cóirish a ha in a mashar, Còmhradh inniu. To tell someone what kind of weather it is, you normally say ha-i, it is, followed by the type of weather. I is used because weather in Gaelic is feminine. We will now show you some examples on how to answer such a question. So if it was dry outside, you could say ha-i chirim. Ha-i chirim. It is dry outside. If it was a warm day, you could say ha-i blah. Ha-i blah. It is warm. Ha-i grianoch. It is sunny. Ha-i grianoch. And if it was a wet day, you would say ha-i fluch. Ha-i fluch. To say the day was cold, you would say ha-i fuar. Ha-i fuar. It is cold. For a cloudy day, you would say ha-i scoch. Ha-i scoch. Ha-i che. It is hot. Ha-i che. And finally, to say it was raining, you would say ha in tuisce ann. Ha in tuisce ann. To say it was a beautiful day outside, you could either say she wa bria a haun, she wa bria a haun, or she wa alin a haun, she wa alin a haun. We will now show you the Gaelic for the different seasons in the year. Spring is in Charach. In Charach. Summer in Gaelic is in Saure. In Saure. Autumn in Fugger. In Fugger. And winter in Gaure. In Gaure. In the last episode, we taught you the numbers from 11 to 20 in Gaelic. This time, we will show you the special set of Gaelic numbers used when counting people in the range of 1 to 10. 2 people is Jeesh. Jeesh. 3 people, Trúr. Trúr. 4 people, Cedar. Cedar. 5 people, Cóignar. Cóignar. 6 people, Shianar. Shianar. 7 people, Shachnar. Shachnar. 8 people, Óknar. Óknar. 9 people, Naignar. Naignar. And 10 people, Jichnar. Jichnar. In the next episode, we will show you the months of the year and some special dates and occasions in Gaelic. Remember to give this video a wee like if you enjoy it and have a look in the description box below for links to our social media pages for more Gaelic content. Mar sin leibhinn drasta!